Let's begin learning shapes. So let's start over. First is the square. Let's take the side this be A and the other side, the adjacent side, to be B. And let this be A dash and this side be B dash. So in a square, A is equal to B, B is equal to A dash, and is equal to B dash. So four sides are equal, and when in a figure four sides are equal, then it's called a square. So that is square. Next, let's take it. Next is rectangle. Let's take one side to be A and the another to be B, and again the opposite to be A dash and B dash. Now here A is equal to A dash and B dash is equal to B, but A is not equal to B. So this is equal to this and this is equal to this. So the opposite sides when are equal and the adjacent sides are not equal, then that's called rectangle. So now let's go with another figure. Circle. Let's take the center point of this circle to be O and a radius where the edge of the circle is marked, that is called radius R. And if we go on the other side also, let's take it to be R dash, where R is equal to R dash, then this is called circle. Next, take it to be oval. Oval, again we'll take the center to be O, and let's take the radius, the vertical radius, to be R, and let's take the horizontal radius to be R dash. So here R is not equal to R dash, and so at different points this particular figure will have different radius. So this is called oval. Next is trapezium. Let's take this side to be A and this side to be B, where A is not equal to B, as you can visually see here, but A is parallel to B. When some sides are parallel, we denote it with double lines. So A is parallel to B. So when A is parallel to B, this is called trapezium. Two sides parallel, two sides parallel, then it's called trapezium. Next is a triangle. Triangle with a figure with three sides, let it be A, B and C, is known to be a triangle. There are different types of triangles where A, B, C may be equal, may not be equal. We'll be learning about these triangles in different videos. But for now, a figure with three sides is known as triangle. Next is parallelogram. Parallelogram, where four sides are parallel. Four sides are parallel, where let this be A and let this be A dash. Let this be B and let this be B dash. So you see A is parallel to A dash and B is parallel to B dash. So four sides are parallel, and when four sides are parallel, it is called parallelogram. Next is pentagon. A figure with five sides is called pentagon. Five sides, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the 5 sides is called pentagon. Next is hexagon. The figure with 6 sides is known as hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here's the last one, 6. So it is hexagon. Wow, you guys have done a great job. Let's begin again. This is a sun. What shape is this? This is circle. Next is an egg. What shape it will be? It will be oval. Next is a checkered box. What figure it will be? This is a square. For the confirmation of this, you can also count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As the boxes are equal, you can also count it from the other side. So to see how length and breadth or the opposite sides are same or not. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is a square. Next is who am I? 2 sides, this side and this side is parallel to this side. So you are a parallelogram. Parallelogram. I am a parallelogram because I have 4 sides parallel. Oh, who am I? You seem to be a trapezium, as this side is parallel to this side and it's not equal, and it has 4 sides, so you are a trapezium. Next is, this is a table. What shape it is? It is a rectangle. As the adjacent sides are not equal but the opposite sides are equal, so it is a rectangle. Next is, this is a box. Let's see how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, this is a pentagon because it has 5 sides. Pentagon. Next is, this seems to be a hexagon. Let's count it. 3, 4, 5, 6. So the figure with 6 sides is known as hexagon. Wow, you guys are really great learners. Keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye.